What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Dad Does Videos. So we have a Frontpoint wireless alarm system for our house, and every once in a while you have to change the batteries in your door or window sensors. So my hub of my alarm system told me that I had a low battery in this specific sensor. So I just thought, hey, might as well show you guys the process I go through to change the batteries, and hopefully someone will benefit from that. So first step is to locate underneath your sensor. You can see right here there's a little spot here where you can slide a flat object in. I'm just using a flathead screwdriver to do it, but you need to pop the top, this part, off of the base of your sensor to get to the battery. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. As you can see, I'm just being kind of gentle as I pop this off. And that pops right off. Okay, so here is the top part of the sensor that we popped off, and we're just going to flip this over right here, and you can see the back of it. Now you're going to use your flathead screwdriver again and just go right in this slot to pop off the top right here, and this will reveal the battery. So there you go. There's the piece that holds the battery in. So we're just going to pop this out like this. So you can see all the pieces right there. And simple enough. The battery's right here. We're just gonna move that out. And again, I'm just gonna use my flathead screwdriver to push on the bottom of the battery. So it just pops out like that. Just remove that. And if you're wondering, give you a close-up view, there's the battery that you need to pick up to replace this one. It's a CR2032. Okay, so you can see here we have our replacement battery, and if you noticed in that previous segment, the positive end of the battery was on this side. So we're just gonna put that right back in as the previous battery was located inside. So just like that, and push it in. Like so. And then we're gonna put this back in the casing. Like that. And then we're gonna pop on our cover. Just push it down, make sure it snaps. And then we'll go back over to the base of the sensor. Okay, so we're back at our base, and we're gonna pop on the top of our sensor here. And if you get confused on which side goes where, you just have to match up the diagonal pieces. There's one right here, then there's one right here, and that's also contains the little slot where we slid in our flathead screwdriver. So we're just gonna go like this and pop this right on, and just all you're gonna do is push, and you're gonna hear some clicking. And that's it. Once you've got it stable and on there, your alarm system should tell you that your battery in your sensor is back to being fully functional. Thanks for watching, everybody.